Most people think the stock market is a giant casino. They're chasing the next AI moonshot or panic selling when the news looks grim. But while the world is panicking, one 95-year-old man in Omaha, Nebraska, is sitting on a record $334 billion in cash, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Warren Buffett didn't become one of the wealthiest people in history by being lucky. He did it by following a set of boring rules that almost everyone else ignores. Today, we're breaking down the core principles of the Oracle of Omaha, so you can stop gambling and start building real wealth. If you ask Buffett for his secret, he'll give you 2 rules. Rule number 1. Never lose money. Rule number 2. Never forget rule number 1. Now, does this mean Buffett never sees a red day in his portfolio? Of course not. What he means is the permanent impairment of capital. To Buffett, a stock isn't a squiggly line on a chart. It's a piece of a business. If you buy $1 for 70 cents, you have a margin of safety. Even if the market goes sideways, that cushion protects you from total loss. So, how do you find these discounted businesses? You look for 2 things: a moat and a circle. 1. The economic moat. Imagine a castle. The better the moat, the harder it is for enemies to invade. In business, a moat is a competitive advantage. It could be a brand like Coca-Cola, a network like American Express, or a sticky ecosystem like Apple. If a company can't raise prices without losing customers, it doesn't have a moat. 2. The circle of competence. This is where most investors fail. They buy what they don't understand because of FOMO. Buffett famously avoided tech stocks for decades because he didn't understand how they made money. He stays inside his circle. Section 3. Be fearful when others are greedy. This is Buffett's most famous advice, but it's the hardest to follow. In 2024 and 2025, while the S&P 500 was hitting record highs, Buffett was selling. He trimmed his massive stake in Apple and Bank of America. Why? Because he saw high valuations. Buffett is a contrarian. He amasses a war chest of cash during the good times so that when the market eventually crashes, and people are terrified, he can go shopping. As he says, opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. Section 4. The power of forever. Finally, let's talk about the holding period. Most traders think in weeks. Buffett thinks in decades. His favorite holding period is forever. This allows the 8th wonder of the world, compound interest, to do the heavy lifting. By not selling, he avoids massive tax bills and transaction fees, letting his wealth grow like a snowball rolling down a very long hill. Warren Buffett's principles aren't about being the smartest person in the room. They're about having the best temperament. It's about being patient when others are manic and being disciplined when others are greedy. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to us.